Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the charming town of Granum, Alberta, a small but vibrant community with a rich history and beautiful surroundings. As you explore Granum, you'll discover a place that beautifully blends its past with the tranquility of rural life. Granum was named after the Latin word for grain, reflecting the town's strong agricultural roots. It was established in the early 1900s when the Canadian Pacific Railway expanded into the region, making it a key point for grain shipping and agricultural trade. This connection to the railway played a significant role in the town's development, attracting settlers and businesses to the area. Today, Granum retains its small-town charm and continues to be a hub for agriculture in the region. The town has a rich history that is evident in its well-preserved buildings and local landmarks. Granum's historic downtown area features charming shops and structures that offer a glimpse into the town's past. The community takes pride in its heritage, and this is reflected in the way residents maintain and celebrate their local history. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Granum offers a unique and charming experience that captures the essence of small-town Alberta. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Granum, Alberta. Thanks for watching.